Hi, I'm A-list celebrity makeup artist Hayley Sparks, and here's something you really need to know about. Rejuvenating eye cream and mask from Nouveau Lashes. We all need a boost from time to time, right? Well, our lashes are just the same. It's the everyday punishment life meters out to both treated and natural lashes. So Nouveau Lashes developed this cream and mask to counteract these harmful effects by giving your lashes an intensely nourishing hit. Rejuvenating eye cream and mask feeds your lashes and brows with a whole list of essential ingredients to give stronger, healthier, more glamorous results. And as an added plus, the Rejuvenating Eye Cream and Mask contains BEAUTIFEYE, an active ingredient which rejuvenates the delicate skin around your eyes, targeting dark circles and fine lines by helping firm and smooth skin texture for a younger looking complexion. We makeup artists often see lashes that have been damaged by excessive use of makeup or eyelash curlers. Rejuvenating Eye Cream and Mask is the perfect first aid kit for over-treated lashes, an intensely nourishing and effective repair and care product for home use. Today I'm wearing lash extensions, but to show you how easy it is to apply as a mask, I'm going to demonstrate. Apply it liberally to the complete eye area, including eyelids, lashes and brows, twice a week before bedtime for an intensive overnight treatment. And to use as an eye cream, gently apply by tapping the cream around the bone area every morning and evening after cleansing, then simply rinse off the next morning. Rejuvenating Eye Cream and Mask from Nouveau Lashes, giving you the power of the eye.